Hello and welcome to canceling a receivable or RE transaction in AZ360. We will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments, and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. In our current training scenario, an agency needs to cancel a previously submitted and approved RE transaction and have its accounting impact reversed. We are already logged into the AZ360 application, and the accounts receivable business role has been selected in the top right of the screen. To get started, we will navigate to the global search field at the top of the screen and we'll type in RE. We will then select Receivable from the drop-down menu. In the department field that generates, we will be typing in ADA. And in the ID field, we will enter the transaction ID for the RE in question. So in our case, we will enter 24 wildcard asterisks and then 4. The wildcard again helps to cut down results when searching. We'll click the search button, and the RE transaction will generate in the grid at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click the blue hyperlink, and that will open up your transaction. We will then click the page 3 dot menu, and under primary actions, we will select cancel. We will go ahead and click yes when confronted with the cancel confirmation pop-up. We will, for this training scenario, be entering fiscal year 2023. Keep in mind, in production, you will not need to enter that value. This will help keep the transaction from erroring when we validate. Go ahead and validate the transaction. Transaction validated successfully. Notice that your version now is 2, and your function now is cancellation. Now, for the transaction to be finalized, we will need to submit it to the next line approver. So go ahead and click Submit. The transaction submitted successfully. We will be pausing the instruction momentarily to approve this transaction in the background, and then we will see the resulting behavior in the system. Okay, we have approved the transaction in the background. We are now going to navigate back to the financial transaction catalog. Go ahead and click on Receivable from that drop-down menu. When the page loads, we'll enter ADA in the department field again, 24 wildcard asterisk 4, click Search. And in the results that generate, there are now 2 versions of the same transaction. So if you note, the cancellation transaction is version number 2, function of cancellation, phase of final. The original transaction version, version 1, now becomes, instead of final, historical final. Okay, and we have now completed the process of canceling an RE transaction in AZ360. Go ahead and click the home icon to return to the home page.